She's an OB from New York.
You'd think she'd have more pizzazz.
Not Manhattan. Ithaca is practically Canada.
I think it's inspiring. Actually, a woman making a life for herself on her own steam. I just can't believe they put her in with the secretaries.
Well, I don't care where she went to school. No lady doctors looking up my skirt.
Just the thought is revolting.
So you're making a movie.
Not a feature film per se. Technically, it's more of a live-action documentary short.
What is it you want us to do exactly?
Oh, just jump back under those desks of yours.
So you can film under our skirts.
Jane can vouch for my bona fides as a director.
You know, real movie directors don't walk around with their flies down.
Have you ever done something that you knew you weren't supposed to do, but you did it anyway?
Yeah, lots of times.
I haven't. I know about you and Frank.
Is it possible for me to pay for my friend?
Yes, but it's too late for that.
What are you bugging him for? Aren't I enough for you? This is my friend. What was your fake name again? Curious George?
You're a riot.